Everybody, welcome back to another video. It's been a long time since I've done a reviewing video, but today we are going to be reviewing a 12 sound effects machine. I'm sorry if you can't see too much, but hold on, I'm gonna try and fix the lighting. Guys, I don't know if this is better because I can't really sit down, so I'm gonna have to, I don't know. Okay, we're back, and so we have the 12 sound effects machine. Should I zoom in? No, that looks horrible when I zoom in. There. So we're unboxing the 12 sound effects machine. I can't say that this hasn't been opened because I opened it before, but I did not use it yet. So first we have this note that's reading. Hold on. I have no idea. Anyway, so let's get to the actual phone. Nothing else in the box. I can put that in my phone box collection. Anyway, I wanted to do a little video on that too. So guys, let's open this thing up. It's in this nice plastic wrap. So this is what the phone looks like. It has a curved back. But somehow the front is flat. I'm sorry about if you can hear crap behind me. So there's this thing that prevents you from doing it. The batteries are included in there. So I just figured out the light bulb means siren. And I don't know why that makes sense. And the thumb, let's see if that means. Awesome. Guys,